Let's pull up the stock of our systems. This one is down about 4%. It came out with its fourth quarter earnings, and the market seemed to be disappointed by these. To talk to us about the earnings, we are joined by Mr. Satinder Singh Rekhi, founder and CEO of R Systems International. Thank you so much, Mr. Rekhi, for speaking with us at NDTV Profit. What drove the 2% sequential growth in revenues that we have seen for the September to December period?
Thank you, Anisha, and thank you for having me on your channel. The growth that came in the fourth quarter was mainly because of increase in revenue coming from our existing customers and some new customers.
All right. Amongst the verticals, what was the kind of performance of the engineering application development vertical and the BPM vertical?
The verticals that we focus on are telecom and internet media, healthcare, manufacturing and supply chain. We are also in state governments and some ERP services. The verticals that are strong for us are the healthcare and the telecom and internet media.
What about engineering? Is there an interface there also?
You see, we are a software engineering company, so most of the products that we develop are engineering of the existing products. So that is our core product, core business. So we are continuously engineering the products that we are developing, and that goes on.
All right. But what explains profit after tax having halved on a sequential basis? EBITDA has also fallen about 11%. What is putting pressure on the profitability?
That's a very good question. Our systems is going through a process of transformation. We are working on increasing our focus on our core business, which is the services business and on innovation and R&D. The business of product development, we had our own products. We have sold that business off, and we have acquired two smaller businesses. So the focus is getting back onto services business. We are also doing investment into mobility and analytics business, both predictive analytics and speech analytics. So there's a little bit of change process that is going on, so there's a little dip in revenues and EBITDA, but with continuous R&D and innovation and the newer segments that we are getting in, we will overtake the dip that is coming through.
Right, you said you sold your product development business. So how much did the revenues get impacted in the fourth quarter because of this?
The revenues would have been impacted to the order of about $2-3 million.
Okay.
Keeping in view that we have acquired another business also.
All right. And net, what is the impact on revenues because of these changes that are taking place? There's also a lot of corporate developments regarding some of your subsidiaries. The valuation that you sold this business at, was this at a slump sale basis, and have you taken a markdown on that as well?
No, we got a profit on that. You see, our income, profit after tax for the year 2015 has increased 25%. The increase is from 12.8 million in the last 2014 to 2015, we have come to 15.25 million. So our net profit has increased, and that has been a great advantage. So the cash that we are getting in, we are conserving it to do more at R&D and to develop into the newer segments of analytics and mobility.
Right. Can you tell me what the utilization level was given all the transformation and the changes that are taking place?
We are working to a high utilization right now. It's about close to 76%.
All right. And since you are focusing on mobility, on analytics, what was the growth that you saw in the digital business?
Digital business, which we call the internet media and telecom, is a very strong business for us. That constitutes as much as 30% of our business. That is the area where a lot of our innovation and R&D continues, and we expect to get more and more growth in that area as we go along.
All right. Are you facing pricing pressure in the BPM and your traditional business?
We are fortunate since we are able to give more value to our customers. The pricing is not a big pressure on us. Also, you know, the US dollar is helping. That is quite strong. Our major business comes from the United States. So we are doing well on that front.
Right. Can you tell us what the deal pipeline is like? You said the focus is on the newer business, R&D for mobility analytics. What's the deal pipeline like? How many new clients did you add in this fourth quarter, and what's lined up ahead?
Over the year, we've added, in the quarter, we added about 8 key customers. Over the year, generally, we add about 30, 40 customers. We are a strong marketing company, and we have a healthy sales pipeline. We are, of course, taking a deep look at our customers and trying to do more innovation so that we can get higher value and penetrate deeper into our existing customers.
Right. So for next year, FY17, what kind of guidance are you working with for revenue growth, and what margins will you maintain?
We do not provide guidance